Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Dr. Scorpio official YouTube channel. My dear students, in today's lecture we have another important concept, important topic. Now with a deep contemplation and deep thinking, with a smart look, with a smart study, let's come with us to detail concepts of the sigma and the pi bond. Are you excited to learn something new in this topic with regard to your entry test? Now you are at the right place. Let's come. The first of all, what is the sigma bond? The sigma bond is formed by the linear overlapping of the half-filled orbitals of the two respective atoms. It is formed by the linear overlapping, so it is strong, and it is less reactive because it is stable. The maximum and the minimum number of the sigma bond between the two atoms will always be 1. Note this point. It is always formed by the linear overlapping ETA 2018 MCAT 2017. Stability is always directly proportional to the number of the sigma bond. As the number of the sigma bond increases, stability increases. Linearly arranged atoms are present in the sigma bond, so free rotation is possible. Basically, sigma bond determines the shape of the molecule because it doesn't change the bond length of the molecule. The bond length of the molecule remains constant. Now attention please. Attention. With a smart look again. Now we are moving towards the pi bond. Pi bond parallel or the sidewise overlapping of the two orbitals. Note down that the pi bond will always be formed by the overlapping of the unhybridized p orbitals. It is MCQs 2018. It is a weak bond, so if it is weak, so it will be less stable, it has more energy and it is more reactive. As you can see in the given figure, the sigma bond and pi bond. Sigma bond is formed by the linear overlapping, the pi bond is formed by the p orbitals in a sideways manner. Maximum and minimum number of the pi bonds between the two atoms is 2. Maximum bonds will be 2 and minimum will be 0. It is important MCQ set 2. Stability is directly related to pi bond. ये भी याद रखिए. Free rotation is not possible in case of pi bond because it is just like a nail is hooked. It doesn't determine the shape of the molecule because the bond length decreases because of the pi bond. Now some of the important MCQs of the NMDCAT questions. Number of sigma and the pi bond in a given molecule if they asked. Just like the calcium carbide, the toluene and the benzene. The calcium carbide is inorganic compound, toluene and benzene are the organic compound. You can see the structure of the calcium carbide, so there is 1 sigma bond and 2 pi bond. In case of toluene, when you replace the hydrogen atom of benzene by methylene, it is toluene, 15 sigma bond and 3 pi bond. In case of benzene, you can see that benzene has